Hi, my name is Regina, and for today we're gonna learn about good applications for learning English. And the first one are our dictionaries: Linguo, Cambridge Dictionary, and Reverse Context. Linguo is good for our pronunciation. You can choose and find British good or the best pronunciation or American pronunciation. Reverse Context is good application when you find some phrases and you need to translate them. Next one, we have some apps for our learning grammar, because grammar is really hard to learn or study, but it's one of the important things in our English. Okay, we have Oxford Learners Grammar, Cambridge English Grammar News, and British Council. Next one, we have BBC Learning English. It's good app for us to learn English and improve our pronunciation. You can find here some kind of postcards or some kind of video like in YouTube and so on. Next one, we have Grammarly. Of course, we try to learn English in a proper way and do not do any mistakes, but sometimes, of course, we do our mistakes, and this app can help us to solve this problem and correct our grammar or lexical mistakes. Next one, we have Quizlet. It's some kind of app that could help us to learn our vocabulary. You can do your cards and then learn these cards. And the last one, and I think my favorite, is Allright. It's a good application for our kids to learn English. For example, you can choose any topic that you want. For example, colors, animals, I don't know, rooms, and so on. And I think it's the best application for our kids. So, thank you for your attention. See you soon!